Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make bricks for a mini house. First, gather your materials. You'll need air-dry clay, a ruler, and a craft knife. A small bowl of water is also helpful for smoothing. Prepare a clean, flat, non-stick surface, like a cutting mat or wax paper, to prevent the clay from sticking. Having everything ready before you start makes the process much smoother and more enjoyable. Let's get started. Now, let's shape those bricks. Roll out your air-dry clay evenly, aiming for a consistent thickness of about 1/8 of an inch. This ensures your bricks will be uniform. Next, use your ruler and craft knife to carefully cut out individual brick shapes. A good size to start with is 1 inch long by 1/2 inch wide. Precision here makes a big difference in the final look of your mini house. Take your time for the best results. Once your bricks are cut, it's time to add some character. Use a small tool, like a toothpick or a dull knife, to gently etch lines and imperfections onto each brick. This creates a realistic, weathered look. After texturing, lay your bricks flat on a non-stick surface to air dry. This process can take anywhere from 24 to 48 hours, depending on humidity. Make sure they are completely dry before moving on to painting or assembly. For the final touch, paint your completely dry bricks. Acrylic paints work wonderfully for achieving realistic brick colors, from deep reds to earthy browns. Once the paint is dry, consider applying a matte sealant to protect your bricks and give them a more finished look. This step adds durability and helps them withstand handling. Remember to check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals to keep your crafting space tidy. Enjoy building your miniature masterpiece.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.